Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's another amazing day at Wakafire Photography. I'll be your host on this journey on smartphone photography, showing you how to use your smartphone, whatever smartphone you may be using, to create amazing pictures that you can use for marketing, for social media, and for print. Gone are the days when you had to sell your house, take a bank loan. Of course, I'm kidding, but you get the gist. Just to buy an amazing smartphone. Gone are the days when you probably would be envious of your friends who are using the latest phones and the latest gadgets in town, or some DSLR to take really good pictures. I'm here to inform you that you do not have to do that anymore. Yay! Yeah, you do not have to do that anymore. Wakafire is, so before we get down to the basics, I should probably introduce myself, I think. Yeah, I'm sure you're wondering who I am and what Wakafire is and what we do at Wakafire and all that. Okay, so first of all, my name is Femi Obasalon Femi. I'm the lead photographer and founder at Wakafire Photography, and I would be your host on this course. So, quickly, before you get started, please, you should connect with us on social media. On Facebook, we are at Wakafire Photography. On Instagram, we are at wakafire.photography. So please pick up your phone right now, go to Instagram, search for wakafire.photography, and hit the follow button. I'm going to give you a few minutes to do that. A few minutes. So go to Instagram, search for wakafire.photography, yes. And the logo showing on your screen is the same logo on our AVI on Instagram, on our AVI on Facebook. So you hit the follow button. Thank you very much. All right. So what then is Wakafire Photography? This is the first of many models that you will be getting from us in this class, and other models will be introduced as we go along in this class. Okay, so what is Wakafire Photography? Wakafire basically is a combination of two words, Pidgin and regular English. Pidgin simply meaning Waka, that's the Pidgin part. Fire is the regular English part. It's a Waka in Pidgin means to walk around, to go for a walkabout. You know, when you go for a walkabout, you basically just stroll around, trying to discover new places, new things, and so on. And so that's where the word Waka comes from in Pidgin. And fire is, in this case, our vision of sight. So, Wakafire was born. It was born sometime last year, and for over a year now, we've been shooting, creating amazing photography using our mobile phone. And it all started from the fact that I wanted a phone that could take really good pictures without having to break the bank, without having to empty my bank account, and without having to save for the next 10 months for one phone. I think it's a no-brainer, right? Basically. So when that happened, I realized that I had to then create a situation where I could take really good pictures on my phone. So initially, I did not think that it was possible, but as time went on, I understood that it was possible. And so I created that using just my mobile phones. And as at the time I'm talking to, we have 1,000,000 impressions on our pictures. We have over 1,500 pictures. We have over 45 locations shot. We have 5 devices that we've used, which I will share with you as we go along. And we've done this in 3 states. That's Lagos, Port Harcourt, Abuja, and a bit of Ogun State. Yes, so That is what Wakafire is. And we've also done automobile photography, we've done product photography, we've done street photography, we've done, I think, abstract photography as well. We've also done architectural photography, we've shot hotels and so on. So, what are the phones we've used? Here we go. Using Huawei Honor 4C. If you know your phones, you know that all the phones on your screen are low budget, mid-range smartphones. The Tecno Phantom 5, the Lenovo Vibe S1, Tecno Canon C9, and the Huawei Honor 4C. And of course, one phone that is missing here is the iPhone 5S. Yes, I know that some iPhone fans watching this video and you're thinking that, oh, I just use a 5S, I think it's a 7 Plus or any of the advanced models yet. Yes, even with your 5S, you can still create amazing photography. With a budget of $100 to $200, you can still get amazing phones. Yes. All right. Here we go. What then is, who have we worked with? What have we done with these phones? We've worked with Tecno Mobile. Of course, Tecno Mobile, as you can see here, created the Phantom 5 and the Canon C9. We've worked with Timberworks, a furniture company. We've worked with Capital Square as a co-working space. We've worked with Genesis Cinemas, which is, by the way, is one of the leading cinema brands in Lagos, Nigeria. I worked with the Sojourner Hotel, which is a 4-star hotel in Ikeja. Genesis Hotels in Port Harcourt. Genesis Restaurant also in Port Harcourt. We worked with Personas. Personas is a franchise owner for Marks and Hugo Boss and Lacoste. Some of these top brands in Nigeria. We've also worked with them to shoot some of those brands. So we've had pictures for Marks, pictures for Lacoste, pictures for Hugo Boss, and so on. We've also worked with Always Me, which is also a fashion brand in Lagos, Nigeria. Helped them to a bit of product photography. So from this point on, this ends the introduction for this class. At this point, I should say that what you'll be needing for this class is your smartphone, obviously, your internet connection, obviously, a pen and paper. We would also have a bit of a practical session at the end of the class. If you do not have data on your phone or a bit of internet on your phone, I recommend that you do so after this class, because you might need to download at least one application on your phone, before the end of this class. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for listening. This is the end of the introductory session for the Wakafire smartphone photography.